Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through tracking tasks, bugs, and feature requests using GitHub issues to supercharge your project management workflow. Start by heading over to your repository homepage on github.com and clicking on the Issues tab located right beside the main code option. Click that bright green New Issue button in the top right corner to open up the submission template window. Here, write a concise, descriptive title outlining the specific problem or task, and use the large comment box below to detail reproduction steps or add helpful screenshots. Before saving, look over to the right sidebar where you can assign the task to specific team members, attach relevant project labels like bug or documentation, and link it directly to an active milestone. Once you hit Submit New Issue, your task is officially live on the tracker, creating a centralized discussion thread where developers can collaborate, share updates, and link the issue to incoming pull requests for automatic closure when the code is merged. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.